Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by verifying control of both accounts so changes sync correctly. Open the Instagram app and sign in. Once done, go to your profile and tap the menu. You need Facebook linked under Settings Account Center to change connection-related passwords safely, so make sure that connection exists before proceeding. If prompted, authenticate with either account using your password or a verification code. This prevents accidental lockouts. Completing these checks now saves back and forth later and preserves login continuity. Next, change the Instagram password directly. Open Settings, choose Security, then Password, and enter current then new password. Once Instagram is updated, open Facebook and go to Settings Security and log in to change that password too, so both sides match your security posture. Make sure to use a new, strong password and enable two-factor authentication on both platforms. After changing passwords, return to Account Center to confirm both accounts, list the new authentication state, so connected logins work seamlessly. Finally, verify everything. Open Account Center and confirm both Facebook and Instagram appear and show recent login activity. Log out and then sign back in on both apps to ensure the new passwords and connection behave as expected. If you encounter issues, use recovery options, email, SMS codes, or backup codes, and avoid repeating password changes until resolved. One key tip: if login fails, clear app cache or try a browser login to isolate app-specific problems before contacting platform support for account recovery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.